Have you been wondering lately why it is that your salespeople are still doing a significant number of calls, yet not closing any worthwhile business? It could be that they're doing far too much telling and not much selling. At Macademy, we train sales teams and sales managers in the old art of selling. We do this by covering off a number of key areas. These are the sales process, building credibility, product knowledge, building key relationships, body language, sales calls, database development, and asking for the business. Most importantly, closing deals. If you don't ask for the business, you just don't close a deal, do you? I have decades of experience across more than 70 countries, and I've sold hundreds of millions of dollars worth of products. Let me share my success and experience with your sales teams to make it happen for your business.